So 803 Whip Games. It's your boy Tay Whips in with another video. We up here at Spooner's Pro Shop. Come to give y'all a little walk around on this box Chevy. In for the works. About to get the rear end right, swap the rims out. It had the factory motor in it. It's in for LS swap. She in there. That intake gonna come off. New intake going on. Think they going with the pulley setup. I just came to give y'all a little walk around on this thing, man. Give y'all a little before and after. Right now she's sitting on these 28-inch floaters. I'm about to come off though. Clean box. And he gonna do a whole respray on it. Then he coming out with like some Forgiatos or Ruchis or something. Armani Forge, one of them. I just wanted to give y'all a little update on it. She clean though. Nice clean interior. It's that LS box. Got the digital dash, you know. She all OG right now. Very clean though. Very clean. These dub floaters is for sale. YouTube. So if y'all interested, holla at your boy. But I just wanted to give y'all an update on this thing, man. We up here at the compound. Nice headers on them. And that's your boy, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think with this box Chevy. What color should he go? What color should he paint it? What color should he do the top? Man, y'all drop a comment and let me know, man. What color paint and what color top? It's your boy, 803 Whip Games. We out. Almost ready. Let's see what's going on. Don't capital. And the shine six. Y'all see it, man. One stop shop. One stop shop, man. We up here at Motor and Concepts. Spooner's Pro Shop. Y'all see what's going on, man. She almost ready though. Engine bay coming on along. Y'all stay out, man. So 803 Whip Games. About to fire this thing off.
Plenty of fuel. Fireball.
I got 3. Car 3. Pack, pack, pack. Y'all see what's going on. All work, no play. Getting them tubs ready on this bad boy here. It's that coyote. He fixed coyote mode. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy Tay Wilts, 803 Will Games. I appreciate all my subscribers, all the support, man, y'all been giving me. But y'all stay tuned. I know y'all ain't forgot about my baby over here. She up next. We out.